Ayaw ko nga sa'yo.
Get it, baby. Man, why you got the bikini on when I'm trying to make a YouTube video? Get it on there, baby. Get it on there. Boom! Hold on, wait a minute. Let me show you.
Wait! Yung sangkalan.
Get it, baby. Come on. Best camping tool ever.
Best cotton today.
But if you get it wet, the light comes on and it burns down the battery. So don't get it wet. Put another one up there, man. Whoa!
No, wait!
Baby, you don't need to baton it with that hammer. Let me show you one more time.
You're crazy! Just ginawa bata to. Go na!
Alright, come over here. Come over here. Let me show you. Folks, this is a, how much did I pay for this? $1? $2? Huh?
$99.
Okay, $2. $2 on this coconut chopper. Listen, put the cabbage up there. I just want to demonstrate the power of the coconut chopper.
The people know that na.
No, on a cabbage.
Yeah, look, oh, what the mess you have.
Just put the cabbage, baby. Put the cabbage. Let's do a demonstration on the cabbage. Come on.
You not cook the cabbage?
I'm cooking the cabbage. Just put the cabbage on there.
Akong gagawa.
Okay, give
I'm
baby.
the one.
No. Babe, hold on, babe. Wait a minute. Alright, folks, she's gonna try to do it. Get your hand out of the way. Put your left hand behind your back. Put your left hand behind your back so you can fucking chop it off. Hit it, baby. Hit it. Oh my lord. Alright, then, babe, put a carrot up there. Let's check the carrot. See if you can put your hand behind your back. For safety, put your hand behind your back. Let's do it. Chop it up. Oh shit. Okay, baby. Last but not least, put that corn up there and I say, oh shit. Oh, you got a potato too? Here she goes with the potato. Let's do it, baby. Hit it. Oh. All right, get the corn. Oh, that was weak, baby. Come on, drop the hammer on it. Boom! Okay, one more. We need the tomato and the sayote. Get it. Hit it, baby. Hit it. Hit it. Drop the hammer. Oh! Now put that mater on there, baby. Put that tomato on there.
What tomato?
That mater.
This one?
Yeah.
Huh? Did you like that too?
Let's check it. Oh, sliced directly through that. Good job, baby. That tells you the coconut chopper, if you put one hand behind your back where you don't chop off your... Oh, baby, good job. Folks, I'm almost ready to start cooking.
Start cooking na ang pagkain. $20 here. I'm the ate, 40. Go get.
Trying to keep me from going out to Barcelona to the bars. And they just got my car. They got all my money. Called the brown guy, report the foreign guy abuse.
Kapag walang tibok, walang ligaya.
Because I like big butts and I cannot lie. Put a little olive oil on it, folks. Oh yeah, get that olive oil on it. A little bit of olive oil covering the whole bottom of it. Oh yeah, let's do it. Paint it up. What the hell is that? That's chili. Paint it up.
I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you.
This is the secret recipe on this little dish right here. Oh yeah!
Vienna Sausage by Anna.
Look at that! Oh! You're to blame. You give love a bad name. In the large 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. Made in America by the good folks down in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, my friends. What's this, baby? Folks, life. Let's get the philosophy here, okay? And I'm not gonna look at myself, I'm gonna look at you. Life is about what you make it. Coming up on 49 years old. You know, one of my good friends died at 37, 38. My buddy Tendaway Tim died at 55. Pablo Escobar dead at 49. I'm at 48. I could be dead within 3 Christmases. Ask me if I give a. I do not care. But the great thing about this little thing of burn is I do not give a if I get it dirty. That thing's like 25, 30 bucks, right? So number one, if I get it dirty, let's clean it up. My grandfather, he loved to eat Vienna Sausage on crackers with some cheese. I ate that so many times, my God. I miss my grandfather. Shout out to you, Papa. Have some Vienna wieners, baby, them Vienna sausage. How is it?
Delicious. Little bit, sweet.